Hi, good morning, it's Big D here. Welcome back to the channel. Something a little bit different today. I just want to talk to you. So I did take a slight little short film of something that I bought this thing last week, the other week or whenever. And it was just to show you a bit of fun and to start and try and use it. I like there's many things on the TikTok and YouTube and places where you go, Facebook and anywhere where they're trying to sell you things, and I call them if only products. If only they did what they said they did, they'd be bloody marvellous. But anyway, this little thing here, I'll show you what it is. In the morning, I mean, I've got a pulmonary condition. I've got some scarring in my lungs from all them gallows I used to smoke with Barry Sheen back in the day. But anyway, that said, I'm under some sort of medicine, but I get phlegm, and it's not actually what we're here about, but a lot of people who get sinus blocks and things, and that's why I bought this. I'll try it. So in the morning, I get up and I have a Barocca. I have a cup of black, strong espresso coffee. That one, look at that, baby. I have that. But I've noticed that since I've used this machine, I've been using it, you tell you to use it 3 times a day, then 2 times, and 1 time whenever you need it or whatever. But I have noticed a relief, particularly in sinuses, blowing your snitch and all that business. But what I've read in here, they give you a little ebook. And one of the things it says in the morning, if you're coughing and this, that and other, well, I start coughing in the morning as soon as I start drinking my Barocca. And I read in here, and it says if you, what do you call it, hydrated, if you can overhydrate, well, at night time I've been knocking pints of water back, coffee, tea, whatever, before I go to bed. They tell you not to drink anything for about an hour and a half before you go to bed or whatever. So I've tried that in this last week, and I've slept a lot better. I woke up in the middle of the night, coughing like an old man of 90. Well, I'm not 90 yet. Coughing and all that crap. But so I'm noticing now I started to cough like I'm doing this in the morning to show you how I'm coughing. So what I'm thinking is, this little machine which you get, this is what it is. It's that, look. There's a little machine with 2 little things which you put up your ooter. So I'm going to put them up my ooter now and do it now, in the morning, while I'm coughing, while I'm at my worst. So you turn it on like that. Then it times itself for 10 minutes now. So you're like on a timer now for 10 minutes. So, and it just turns itself off. So I just thought I'd show you, that's the product. I think it comes from America. But I will put a link to it on this video when I post it on YouTube. And for those who are interested, on the where it says the menu, click down on the description on the writing, and it'll sell you a little link. There's a little bit of discount they've offered me. I'm not sponsored by this, by the way. I bought this myself with my own money, and they've offered me a little bit of discount if I make a YouTube video for people who come and click on it. So that's you guys. So let me know what you think in the comments if you do get one and you want to join the Red Nose Club for Christmas at least or whatever. And yeah, I hope you're all okay. Have fun. See you later. Thank you.